Jason, when we work with a fit-out company, quite often the security system is reasonably complicated. How do we as TSI ensure that the end user is familiar with the system from day one?
Well, due to the fact that every system is different, we would, at the end of any project, our installations manager will liaise with the site foreman to arrange a meeting for the end user. At this stage we would send along our senior commissioning engineer, who would then do a full system demonstration on every discipline installed, so whether that be access control, CCTV or intruder. You know, with the intruder they will explain how to set, how to unset, the procedures to follow if the alarm triggers, you know, and what needs to be done following an activation. With regards to access control, they would explain to them how to set time profiles, delete users, add users, edit the access control system as a whole. And with the CCTV, they will show them, obviously, most importantly, to how to download footage, you know, how to view footage, you know, how to set up the system to do whatever they needed to do. At that stage, we would continue to explain until all members of staff understand how the system works. However, if they have ever got any questions, we are 365 days a year, 24-hour support, so they can always just phone in and our online engineers will help them to the best of their ability and attend site if needed.